The Proud and Joyful Life of Scouts is a collection of images offered by CHOCOLAT SUCHARD in 1951. The collection consists of an album containing 40 pages including 20 plates to support 10 stickers to stick, each on the theme of Scouting. On the back of the plates, a history of the origins and soul of Scouting, its heroes, its adventures, and its songs. 11. The Jamboree. A jamboree. A Scottish Scout. A Danish Scout. A Polish Scout. Scouts of the Indies. Danish Trumpets. Scout of the United States. Syrian Scouts. The Song of Farewells. The Scout Brotherhood. 12. A Great Routier, René Cale. René Cale leaves his village towards Dakar. In slavery with the Moors. In caravans with the Mandingos. Scurvy in front of the Sharif of Jen. Arrival in Timbuktu. In caravan in Tafilalet. Fez. René Cale in front of his work. Leave a comment if a particular image catches your eye. What is your favorite Scout experience? Tell us in a comment at the bottom of the video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our next adventures. 13. Bertrand's childhood du Guesclin. Bertrand du Guesclin was repulsively ugly. Bertrand's anger. The flight from Rennes. Before the tournament. The first lance blow. All the knights are put out of combat. Bertrand is recognized. His father kisses him. The ladies crowned Bertrand. Bertrand du Guesclin, Constable of France. 14. The Wolf of Gubbio and the Charlemagne Snake. The Fierce Wolf of Gubbio. Saint Francis approaches the wolf. The wolf raised his right paw. Saint Francis began to speak to the crowd. The Good Wolf of Gubbio. The door of the palace of Charlemagne. Charlemagne heard the bell ring. A long snake shook the bell. The snake entered the room. There was a toad crushing its eggs. 15. A 16-year-old heroine, Elizabeth Cazot. Pierre's house. Arrest of Jacques Cazot. The cell. The anger of the crowd. Maillard. The People's Court. The massacre. Jacques Cazot led to the wicket. You will only reach my father after having pierced my heart. The triumph. 16. Crowned wisdom. Leonce and his daughter Athenais. Athenais chased away by her brothers. Athenais meets Pulchery. Athenais and Pulchery enter the sanctuary. Eudoxie's baptism. The imperial audience. Eudoxie's coronation. Eudoxie's triumph. Eudoxie's brothers locked up. Forgiveness. 17. Which of the three? Money, Nanu and Bibel. Your mother is completely cured. Nanu ran away, jumping and capering. Money carried her beautiful white rosebush. Nanu an adorable little black cat. And Bibel 6 magnificent golden and fragrant quinces. Money and Nanu were kissed. Who deserves the first prize? Asked the father. I'll bring you my chocolate bar. Our friend Bibel has made a real BA. 18. Conclusion. Leaving for the big hunt. Watch out! I see the first monster. This one tries to suffocate its victims. This one plays the wire. These monsters, they are our faults. A BA. It is sometimes a very small gesture. What a beautiful notebook this will be. You now know what scout life is. You see them go by singing and laughing. Pride is the noblest of qualities. 19. Federal song. Always straight. The archers. The halt. The dance. The potatoes. The ardent and generous youth. The thirst. The panoramic sketch. In the middle of Thursday. The music. 20. Go, Scout of France. Go, Scout of France. The Mass at the camp. In the mountains. On a first-class trip. Ayubas. The tournaments at the camp. A rope bridge. The storm at the camp. A raised fire. Before our eyes the world stands. Thank you for visiting History Channel 26. If you like this video, don't hesitate to subscribe, like, and comment for other videos. For beginner collectors, more information in the description below the video.